5 seconds. Start. Speaking in the Legislative Assembly on the budget, an honorable member said, Mr. Speaker, sir, while welcoming the budget presented by the Finance Minister, I want to make a few observations. It has been said that there is an increase in agricultural production and all our schemes are working very well. If that is so, I do not know why the prices of food articles have gone up in our state. As far as this state is concerned, this is a difficult problem. The whole economy of the state depends on food prices. Unfortunately, in the last 3 or 4 months, food prices have gone up very much. I want to know what steps the government have taken to keep the prices at a reasonable level. I do not want that the agriculturist should be deprived of fair price for their produce, but the prices of food grains should be reasonable. I hope some light will be thrown on this question when the finance minister replies to the debate. Secondly, so far as electricity schemes are concerned, in one respect, they help the development of industries in the state. Time and again, we have been saying that Tamil Nadu cannot boast of any heavy industry either in the public sector or in the private sector. The reasons for this state of affairs are not fair to seek. Private capital is shy and people are not prepared to finance such schemes for they are afraid of the burden of income tax. They feel that any effort on their part to start heavy industries will only result in more tax being paid to the government. We must find a way to get out of this difficulty. In fact, there are many heavy industries which can be developed in the private sector. I know the Minister for Industries is anxious to help in the starting of heavy industries in the state. I am sure that he will say that the private sector in the state is encouraged to take up such industries and develop them. Thirdly, with regard to small-scale industries, no one can have any grievance as far as this state is concerned. The industrial estate in Guindy is evidence of the government's interest in the development of small-scale industries. I would like to point out that not only accommodation but other facilities also have been provided for the opening of factories and the like. I am sure the people will come forward to take advantage of these facilities and start new industries. By means of these industries, we will be able to provide employment to a large number of people. Lastly, as regards housing, the government may say that much has been done to solve the housing problem in Chennai and elsewhere. As far as Chennai city is concerned, it is the duty of the government to clear the slums. There is no doubt that we are spending some amount of the clearance of slums. The difficulty in this matter is that when we try to remove the slum dwellers from the slums, we see more slums coming up. This is a very important problem which the government should solve immediately. While I am on this subject, I would like to point out that the best solution to this problem is provision of houses for the government officials first. I do not say that there should be a scheme to provide houses for government officials at all levels. The government may attend to the needs of those at the lower levels. It will solve the housing problem to some extent. Letter from Kuberan and Company, Salem to Messrs. Narayanan and Company, Chennai. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 3rd instant. We are glad to inform you that the goods sent by you are of very best quality and they have been received in good condition. They are being sold at a very fast rate and we think that the stock will be exhausted very soon. We will therefore require further supply of these goods and we shall send our order at an early date. We enclose our check for the value of the goods and we request you to acknowledge receipt of the check. We take this opportunity to inform you that the schools are scheduled to reopen shortly after the summer vacation. So there will be great demand for notebooks and other items of stationery. We would like to know whether you will be able to supply these items. We shall be pleased to know what items of stationery you can supply and what their price is. We shall be glad to receive your catalog in this regard. On receipt of this, we shall assess our requirements and send our order in this regard as soon as possible. We shall be thankful if you send this information at once. We hope and trust that these items of stationery will be of good quality so that the students may be pleased with them. Yours faithfully.
கான்ஃபிடென்ட். ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்னால் முடியும்னு நாம் முழுசாக நம்பினா லைஃப்பில் எதை வேணாலும் அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியும்.